Devin and Nick were the dictators of a country who was having great economic problems. As time went on, their problems grew worse. They could only produce 2 items. They drew graph after graph and even labeled their axes. Devin and Nick strived for a plan to solve all their economic problems. If only there were someone out there that could solve everything for them. When all of the sudden, guy in white shirt comes from off screen to solve their problems.
Here's a solution to all your problems. Econ worldwide. Wide. Drums. Willy Wonka. Gnomes. Portfolios. Graphs. PPF. Econ worldwide. Wide.
The dictators decided to follow through with Guy in White Shirt's plan. The following is a musical rendition.
Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes.
Scarcity, self-interest make opportunity cost. As boats are rising up, more Joes are lost.
Positive, normative, cause and effect. I've got more Joes, no disrespect. We try to stay on our PPF, producing boats and Joes to our very best. We get top-shelf benefits from our Joes, can't you see? But it makes us truly happy when MC is me. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Quantity demanded, how much will you buy at a certain price that's not too high? As Joes go down, we want to buy more. That's law of demand from chapter 4. Coke is a substitute for a Joe. As the price of Coke goes up, we want more Joes. Joes are only cool to drink when you're on a boat. Straight definition of a compliment. Here's a quote. Demand for boats increases as the price of Joe decreases is what he wrote.
Boats are a normal good, that's a fact. More money, more boats, imagine that. Expecting the promotions, your demand goes up. Fewer buyers in the market, now I'm talking some smack. That's been Boats and Joes, y'all, that's a wrap.
Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes. Boats and Joes, I gotta have me more boats and Joes.
That's the male Mariah Carey, y'all. Give it up.
Needless to say, the guys had too much caffeine and broke the boat.